Food is the body's fuel. Every athlete wants to perform to the best of their ability. It all starts with a healthy diet. The subject I have decided to study is modifying recipes for health benefits. This is important to me because I am an athlete. If I fuel my body with proper nutrition, I will be rewarded with more energy. My driving questions I have are: what kinds of foods can you make to give you energy? What kinds of desserts can you modify to make them healthier? And are there restaurants with menus that are just for athletes? I use the design cycle to modify my recipes with healthier ingredients such as whole grain oats, whole wheat flour, and low-fat peanut butter. Instead of using chocolate chips in my energy balls, I use peanuts. My energy balls were great. They gave me energy and they were healthy. One of the challenges I faced along the way was not having all the right ingredients. I overcame this by modifying my recipes. I modified the recipe to make them work with the ingredients I had. For example, I didn't have sugar, so I modified that by using brown sugar. One of the things I learned from the experience and about myself is that I really enjoy baking. I also learned that if you eat the right food, it can improve your performance. My thinking has changed over the course of exhibition. I will try eating the right foods to increase my energy and performance. I have created a recipe book with healthy recipes for athletes. In my recipe book, I have healthy peanut butter, ginger snap cookies, and healthy energy balls. Fuel your body with proper nutrition and you will be rewarded with more energy.